Hello everyone! Nandito ako sa NSG Car Trading at ito naman ang ginagawa kong content is buy and sell ng mga sasakyan. So let's start the video by these cars. Ang first car natin is a fastback na 2014 Chevrolet Trailblazer 2.8 LT and then it's actually 4x2 tapos kulay red siya, 114,000 kilometers. Okay, nasaksak ko na yung susi actually and then ito yung mileage 114,205 kilometers. For this Trailblazer, yan. Sariwa pa siya guys, may infotainment system dyan siya dito. Yep. There's the park and brake. Yan. Yan. Tapos ito pa rin susi. Yan. Bone original pa rin siya dito. It's a clutch. Yan. Sariwa yung andar. Yan. Everything's here. Smooth shifting. Very good. Yan. Infotainment system is there. Yan. Ito yung price point. Yan. Palagay naman dyan. Tapos, visitor site nga pala. Kompleto yung information nila doon. So, there you are. Sabihan na natin. Into the key. Susolihin natin. Kasi, we're moving on to the next car. 2010 Toyota Yaris 1.5G automatic and kulay white yung kanyang pintura, 148,000 kilometers. Okay, Toyota Yaris. Ito yung pinakahihintay kong sasakyan kasi it's a bit rare na magkaroon ng Toyota Yaris na ganito kaluma, but yun, nagiging a bit of a quirky vehicle to look out kasi it's syempre 1.5 liter engine ito, 1NJ FE in which tatapak ako sa preno. Yan, ganyan yung instrument dials natin. Okay, parang nakababang ganun, no? There you go. It's a bit different, tingnan guys. Yeah. Aftermarket na yung yung infotainment system na to. Into reverse, smooth shifting, and parking brake, air conditioning, and everything is cold, ice cold. Malambot so hydraulic power steering. Tingnan natin guys yung engine hood natin. By the way, ito nga pala yung price point nun. Yan, Toyota Yaris. So, yan. Ito yung automatic version, yan, as demonstrated nga kanina. Ang gaan lang ng ng engine hose compartment. Tapos ito, yan, the whole engine itself to 1NZ FE. Yan. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ng makina ng Toyota Vios back then. Yung Vios na kahilera nito is yung Batman. Yan. Shut it up. So, yan, tingnan natin yung headlights. Just to look a point of view sa inyo. Yan ang headlights. Woohoo! There's the headlights, tapos yung taillights. Tingnan natin dito sa likod. And here it is. Yeah, yan ang taillights natin. Yan, gumana na yung fan. Ibig sabihin, napakalamig na aircon na to. I expect, yun. Oh, yan may neat feature. May may extra cubby dito. Nice. So yan. Turn off the AC and shut it off. Yun na. 2021 Geely Ascara and Oppo hybrid po ito. Luxury variant 1.5 at ito po ay isang 4-wheel drive, 28,000 kilometers tapos sa Lunes na po ang coding nito. Ito yung susi ng Geely Ascara tapos yan power folding mirrors na rin siya. LED lights, yan, full LED beams. I think may mga magic trick ba to, sir? Natin. Yan. Yan. Ganun yung natin on leather seats. Chocolate brown na mong premium. Tapos may meron pa dito mga interior lightings dito. Then yun, may mga LED lights. Tapos pala? Panoramic sunroof rin pala to. Ayos. Sir, okay naman na? Pasok lang ako, sir. So,
push start naman yun.
Okay, so push start button. Tapos din nyo guys yung susi, parang nalata dun sa kotse. Okay, so this is a push start system. Ito. Tapos sa preno, then milo na siya. Yes. Lambot na madibela. Ayos. Tapos off nga natin. Baba lang natin yung yung mga bintana para maliwanag tayo dito. Yan. Yes. Para ma-demo ko sa inyo yung party piece nito, guys. Ito yung moonroof. So, diba? One touch lang to. Yan, hanggang doon sa dulo siya. Okay. Then kapag kung gusto niyo na yung sunroof itself, ito na ipipindot dito niyo. Ayos. Okay. So yan, para may balik nyo, if I'm not mistaken yan, hit nyo yan ulit. Ay, hindi pala siya pwede sabay. Okay. Yan, naka cold start na rin siya. And then, yan, hit nyo ulit para may retract ulit yung moonroof. And habang nakaprocess yan, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda, parang premium leather all the way around. Hanggang dito sa sidings, meron din. Tapos syempre, yan, okay na. Electronic power steering, 3-spoke steering wheel. Tapos yan, syempre yung natin, mga dials natin dito, speedometer, tapos intercometer, lahat all digital siya. Napaka normal lang naman wala na tayong gas kasi syempre pagkabili nyo, kayo na mag-provide. Tapos ito yung sa transmission. Yung transmission nito is somehow like a parang joystick. Yan, ito reverse, parking brake, into reverse yun yung cameras, tapos into park. Yan, just hit the park. Yan, 360 camera rin to. Yan, tingnan natin yung 3D. Wait lang, sadali. Yan, mga napakaraming gadgets and gizmos na to. Okay. Yan ito yung nga pala yung price point, guys. Yan kitang kita sila. Yan, sa likod. Yan, ito yung 360 na view. Tapos multiple views. Yan, sa harap. Yan, para sa mga gutter. Yan. So, I think this is good enough. Tapos, patayin na natin siya, guys. Wait. One touch automatic. Very simple to operate. Ayun. Ready? Let's go. Tingnan natin yung makina itself. Since ito ay isang electric or isang hybrid na sasakyan, yan. Yan. Since hybrid gasoline / electric, yung ultimo yung mga air conditioning lines natin, hindi mo siya maaabot. Perhaps yun yung cold side ng air conditioning. So, yan. Bang. Yan, napaka takip ng isang Geely na engine bay na hybrid power. So yan. And then by the way, yan ang isang mga hydraulic struts. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Pala guys, dalawang beses nyo siyang hihilahin yung hood latch. So, let's shut it down. Kasi ito pala yung susi nun. Yan, yung susi nyan. And as far as I am concerned, ito ay isang keyless entry. Yan, pasok tayo dito. Okay. Meron rin itong panoramic roof katulad ng isang Geely na hybrid. Tapos ito, yan, 3-spoke steering wheel, tapos joystick na na transmission. Tapos tayo sa preno. Yan, gasolina siya, guys, by the way. Electronic parking brake, all the bells and whistles, air conditioning. Yan, dito mo siya makikita yung yung temperature. But yeah, air louvers natin. And then lalakas siya. Electronic power steering, very easy to steer. Tapos yung natin, kambyuhan natin. Ayan. So, yun, hindi mo siya mai-activate kapag kabos yung pintuan. Yan, may pa tayo, may reverse camera tayo. Into neutral. How about into neutral? Nope. That's neutral. Tapos let's drive and put it to park. Yan. Okay. Yan. Medyo nakakalito siya, guys. But yun, ito yung mga modes natin. Yan. Siyempre may gasolina siya. Then yan. Let's check the natin, yung engine hood. I think it's 2 times. No, it isn't 2 times. Guys, ito yung ano yung door handle niyan. So it's very seamless. Kanina ko pa siya kinakapa actually. Let's just shut it down. Yan. Then, tingnan natin. Oh, ito na po yung ano, yung ating makina, just as the same as dun sa ano, sa hybrid. Ganun din. Ayun, takip na takip siya. Although gasoline powered naman to, para lang maiwasan yung pagiging ano, sirani ko ng mga owners. But yeah, ang dami yung mga plastics na kailangan nyo i-release kung sakasakali lang naman na gusto nyo i-DIY to. Yan. So ito yung price point, yan ilalagay natin dyan. Yan. So filled with features, tapos kadalasan ito yung madalas kong nakikita na ano, model ng Geely. So first time buyer, so meron rin sa NSG Car Trading. Susunod is 2023 Toyota Rush. So meron pa tong ano, yung GR kits. Since ito ay keyless entry, why not i-try natin. Yan, gumagana siya. Yun, gumagana siya. So pipindutin nyo siya guys kapag ka ano, keyless entry siya. And then 3-spoke steering wheel, syempre. Tapos may two-tone na ano, na nagaganap dito sa dashboard. Okay, so engine start, into accessories, tapos into the on mode. Yan, lagyan natin ng bintana itong mga to. And then papatayin muna natin yung air conditioning. Tapos yan, 2NRVE nga pala guys yung ano nito, yung engine code natin dito. So put into reverse. Let's see kapag may ano, backup camera. Meron siyang backup camera. That's a good news. Yan. Okay. So although ito ay isang 7-seater, meron rin siyang mga warnings dito ng seatbelts. That's actually ano, very new feature with this Rush. Pansin ko lang din. Electronic power steering, I guess. It feels heavy, so ano siya, I think it's hydraulic din. Yeah, so and very neatly na ano, na inayos nila tong ano, tong Toyota Rush. So yan, basically 2NRVE, 1.5 liter na engine block nito, gasoline engine, 4-speed automatic transmission. Guys, tingnan nyo, ang liit ng battery. Yan, everything is clean and neat. So ayun, if ever meron silang ginawang engine wash dito, and then good job for the NSG Car Trading Company. And ayun, ito nga pala yung price point nun. Yan. So ayan, yung price point ng ano, ng Toyota GR Rush. Tingnan natin yung likod guys, tingnan natin. Ayan, tingnan yung likod. Tapos yung GR badge dito naman. Yan. For the full details, pwede nyo silang dalawin. Ito nga pala yung ano nila, yung company logo nila. Yeah, the NSG Car Trading. So, ito yung buong lot nila. And most of it, lahat ng units sa kanila yan. Alright? So, that's a good thing. Yan. Okay, susunod naman yung isang Honda BRV. Ito nga pala yung susi nun, guys. So, alright, let's go. Tingnan natin. Dito muna ako sa passenger side kasi baka hindi na ako magkasya dun sa driver side. So, yan. Tingnan natin. Yan. It works. AC works. Off muna natin. And nga pala, may air conditioning rin pala to sa ano, sa likod. Yep. Let's go. Woohoo! There you go. Tapos yung kilometer reading nito is around, yeah, trip AM po yan. Sorry. Tingnan natin kung ano. It shows nasa around 40,494 kilometers. Completely neat. Siyempre, malinis na malinis. Yan. Plus may ano pa, may alam ko sensors yan eh. Tapos sa dashcam, yan. Then, tingnan natin yung makina niya guys. Ilayin natin. And we can shut this down naman. So, matis maandar siya. Ito nga pala yung price point nun. Yan. Nilagay ko na siya. Then, okay. Hood latch is over here. Just a quick glance dito sa ano, sa engine natin. There you go. Presumably a 1.5 liter. Tapos, siyempre, everything's neat. Everything's clean. 7-seaters nga pala ito. And then, yeah. Yan, ganito pala yung likod nun guys. Yan. Napakahabang ano, BRV sign. Yeah, there you go. Next one, Suzuki Celerio. Yan. Bibigay ko sa iyo ng ano, ng napaka matinding presentation. So, yan. Steering wheels unlocked, air conditioning off, and then yan. Yan. Okay. Oh. Grabe yung steering wheel niya. Grabe yung feedback ng steering wheel niya. Tapos, assume na 4-speed transmission ba ito? Basta automatic transmission. So, air conditioning. Siyempre, malamig. Good beginner car. For me, uy, lakas ng ano, air conditioning ng fan. Tahimik yung makina. Yan. Then, siyempre, infotainment system. Yan, dito. Then, ayun. Very basic. Ayan, steering wheel. Perhaps, power steering siya. But a lot of feedback, yun yung napapansin ko. Cold air conditioning. Di ko lang kung, nasa 4 batong, air conditioning. But, yeah, talaga 2. Ang lakas. Yan. So, yan. That's good. And 5-seaters. Pero wala siyang leather seats. Hindi siya leather wrap na seats. Yan. Very basic. But here's the price point, guys. Nga pala, ilaw. They all work. Yan. Ay, tignan nyo pa. Yan. All lights work. Yan, syempre, may fog lights lang. Hindi ko lang siya napaandar. And then, tingnan natin yung sa likod. Yan. All brake lights. This one works. But yeah, I presume na gagawin naman nila ito kapag bibili nyo na eh. So yan. Let's get the grab handle. Tapos patayin na natin. Then, yan. Ito yung susi na nun, guys. Okay. Yun yung price point. Ulit. Yan. Suzuki Celerio. Ayun na nga, doon ko natatapusin guys ang video natin for today. Maraming salamat sa NSG Car Trading. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. Tapos doon sa upper left, yun yung contact number nila para for faster transactions. So, see you guys in the next one. And yes, a rebranding is upcoming to this channel. Bye!